Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Lowe's. We're looking at the two deals. This is a different Lowe's. This is quite north from Phoenix, so it's in Cave Creek. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools, make them to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. Yeah, we got a clearance table as we walk in. We got a lot of goodies here. Definitely check out if you see a table like this. Make sure you guys take a nice look. See if there's anything interesting. There's a lot of good deals there. And they got the Eagle Mowers here. They got a nice display. I didn't quite see the price, but this one does have the price for $239. So that's I believe it's the 21 inch Craftsman. And then that's the 2100 PSI for $199. That's the 2400 for $249. So those are the tips on the top. That's the box there. That's the way it looks. And they got this spider stool for $49.98. And they got this cobalt, which I didn't see the price. And they got this toolbox at $389 for the bottom piece. And then $289 for the top. I guess it could be yeah, I think it's top $289 and bottom $289. So not just $289 for both, so individually priced. And then $79.98 for that 26 inch 2000S 3-drawer, and then $129 for the bottom. And then they got this for $29.98, 24 piece 3/8 SAE and metric socket set. And then they have this one for $199. It's a 300 piece, like a mechanic set. And they had this one. It did drop in price. I believe it's $12.98, 65 piece. Yep, $12.58. It dropped down from 17 something. And then they have these for $29.98, which I think they were a little pricey. It's an 11 piece. Yeah, I don't think this is a clearance price. Maybe because it's an 11 piece. This is $159, the half-inch digital torque wrench. So I needed to get a torque wrench. I'm planning on getting either this one or the gear wrench. I'm probably going to end up getting the gear wrench, because I need a torque wrench for the channel, so we can torque the lug nuts and different bolts and screws and stuff like that. There's a lot of torque wrenches and stuff we need to test for this channel. So if you guys recommend me a digital torque wrench, I will appreciate it. Leave it down on the comment section. Then we got some ratchets here. Some of them are clearance, not the lowest price. Alright, we got this miter saw, $249, 12-inch compound miter saw. That's the box right there. It's a 7 1/4. And they got this Dewalt for or Craftsman for $49, a fan. You got the circular saw and the drill for $129, the kit with the battery charger. And then you got the buy one get one free. So you select the Craftsman 20V max bare tool, get a battery kit, a 4-amp-hour battery kit for free. It goes now through the 4th, or 2 months from now. So you guys are good on that. So $99 on this impact wrench. Looks like a 3/8, I believe. You got drill driver or impact driver. These are brush tools for $59.99. That's the kits. Those are great for DIYs. You got $179. And then you got $99 for brush tools, which is a good price. Cobalt 24V max starting at $43.98. You got some tools here. So $299 for this 4-tool combo kit, if you want to call it 4-tool with that light. Then $249, I believe it's a 6-tool combo kit. And then $299 for this 3-tool combo kit XTR, Cobalt XTR. And then $129 for the circular saw, reciprocating saw, and then $99 for the, it looks like a cutoff, like a cut tool, like a drywall cut tool. Got a router for $99. Impact wrench, and you got a jigsaw there for $99. A light for $69. You got all sorts of tools here. So $12.98 and $11.99 for the 40 piece. So that's $12.98 and that's $11.99, I believe, the one on the bottom. So they're on clearance, so be sure to check them out. And I have the scale. I only saw the 12 volts. They probably do have the 18 volts. That's the one that I have. I really like the 18 volts. 12 volt, I would say it's mostly for DIYs. 18 volts, I would say it's mostly for prosumer level, like a middle grade, you know. So they look really nice. Don't get me wrong, they look really nice. So it's a nice kit there for $99. Impact driver, drill driver with one battery charger. Got the impact wrench kit. That's the 1/2 inch high torque, $199. Got the drill driver, $99 with the kit. So you guys see to the right. Impact driver, $99. That's the kit. You got impact driver, drill driver, hammer drill, one battery charger in the bag for $149. And then you got the same as we saw before. So $249 for this XTRs. Impact driver for $134. So I would definitely spend a little extra and get this impact driver. It's really nice, really powerful. Got hammer drill for $99. You got angle grinder for $99. You got, it looks like an angle drill there for $99, and a ratchet for $99. $8.15 for this 19 piece. So it pretty much looks like the other kit that we saw for $5, except this one's Craftsman. Looks just about the same. And that's the kit they had for $5, 52 piece. We ended up getting that one. So we're gonna end up giving this to a family member so that they don't have any tools. So we're gonna give that little kit. Then you got this 20 piece Dewalt set for $19.98. Catch my attention because of the right adapters that they have. So, which is weird. I never seen that before. That adapter. $99 for the fan. And you got the heat gun for $99. Then you got the hammer drill for $129, bare tool, made in the USA. And then you got the impact driver, which is the 887 with 2 batteries, $149. Then you got the impact driver, $129. That's the regular basic, impact, say middle of the grade. And then you got the drill driver for $149 there, XR. And that's the regular drill driver for $99. You got up to 25% off on most of these tools. So you got some batteries there for $29.98. Angle grinders. Oh, and by the way, that's where they used to have the Cobalt XTRs. You gotta buy one get one free from Craftsman. Definitely recommend you guys checking this deal out. It's a 4 amp hour battery, a charger. You get that for free if you buy any of these tools. You got, looks like a rotary hammer for $159. You got a drill driver for $119. You got a light there for $149. A circular saw for $129. Then $12.98 for this 40 piece. It's a really nice set. And they got the 1/2 inch impact driver for $119. They got the 3/8 for $99. Definitely check them out, guys. There's a lot of good deals. So for $99, you're gonna walk out the door with the battery, a 4 amp hour battery, a charger, and one of these tools. $99. And then that's the circular saw for $129. Angle grinder for $129. I wonder if it's the same one as the Dewalt. $129 for this circuit or reciprocating saw. $44.98 for this 140 piece Versa stack, so it's compatible with the Versa stack and the Dewalt Tough System, or the T stack. My bad, not the Tough System, the T stack. Yeah, these are awesome deals. I was just looking at it online, and it is online still. I mean, it is up online, so you guys can definitely get this 4 amp hour battery. That's a really good deal here. Get you in the system there. You got a 9 amp hour battery for $149, so you get the picture of how expensive these batteries are. And you got a 30 piece and a 21 piece. Like that 21 piece, will looks real nice. $25.98 and $14.98 for the 30 piece. $24.98 for the 80 piece. Seems like a bigger kit there, so you guys see. And we got the 2-pack 10-inch miter saw blades, $39.98. You got a 60 tooth and a 32 tooth. A 52 piece. You got 2 different kits. I know they look the same, but they're different actually. Different than that. So you got 506 for any of those 2. And then you got the Dewalt XR. You got a sander there, and for $99. You got a jigsaw for $169. You got a sander there for $169, and then another sander there for $99. And then some of these are on sale, so $229 for this 4-tool combo kit. Get the one-handed reciprocating saw, impact driver, drill driver, and then you get a light. And it looks like you get a 2 small batteries, like a compact battery. It says 2 slim packs, 2 amp hour. So you get really small batteries there. $199 for the Bulldog 18 bolt bare tool. That's it right there. And then $89 for this brushless Metabo HPT drill driver with the 1.5 amp hour battery. This is the black drill, not the green one. This is the black one. That's the green one right there. Impact driver for $99, bare tool. And then impact driver, drill driver, bag, and 2 batteries, a charger for $199, which is a great deal if you're into this line. $179 for impact driver or drill driver by themselves with batteries. You got impact driver, drill driver for $249. And it looks like you get some more tools there, which I can't see what they are. Maybe like a 4-tool combo kit. That's a 3-tool combo kit, woodworking, for $299. It's a really good deal. And I believe that's a 6-tool combo kit for $449. Brushless tools. So that's a good deal there. And they get a sander there for $129. $499. Same, it's probably the same tools that we saw. They got a radio for $99, a light for $99. So that most of them are the same tools that we saw on the other section there. You got this 35 piece here for $16. You got magnetic sleeves. You got some 2-inch bits there. You got a lot of 2-inch bits. And then you got some more over here. You got a 30 piece for $14.98. Then you got the buy one get one free from Bosch. You buy the Freak impact driver kit or the drill driver, and you get a free 2 amp hour battery. And sorry about the camera. Somehow this thing wasn't focusing, but it's valid through the 4/28, I believe. So you got 2 more months to go. Those are the Bosch. I couldn't really see which ones the ones that they're on the sale, so definitely check them out. I did not see any batteries either, so I guess they're probably on the other section, but definitely check them out. They have a lot of great stuff here, and you can rewind it and pause it, and if you guys want to look at the item numbers. Then they have this clearance section, guys. This is a smoking deal clearance section. Got a 52 piece there for $506. Then they had that universal cutoff wheel for $14.98. and then a Craftsman there for $12.98 to 30 piece. And then, sorry about the camera. And then they had the Bosch, like a 2-inch bit set for $3.19. They got some spade bits there for $3.99, and then some nut drivers for $5.19, like a 5-piece. Then they had this 40-piece for $11 bucks from Bosch for $11.99, 40-piece custom. Yeah, so definitely check them out. There's a lot of good deals. They're gonna probably redo their, their stock. They had this one really smoking deal, $251 for a $600 combo kit. Definitely check it out. It's a roofing nailer, and plus it's a circular saw with two batteries. It's a 36 volts. I believe it's a 36 volt circular saw, and that circular saw by itself, bare tool, is $179. We ended up getting these augers for the channel so we can test the drills and stuff like that, put them through these augers, and these augers were $14.98. Then they had this kit for $18.98. It's a 47 piece. There's the same ones on the bottom, so you guys see they're pretty complete kit. A lot of bits, a lot of 2-inch bits. Then they had this one. This one's the best deal out of this little section here. $9.98 for the 200-piece blades, for utility knives. 25-piece there, and you got a 60-piece there for $29.98. Anyways, that's it for today, guys. Don't forget to help out the channel by subscribing, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy tools like this, make more tool review videos. That's the way YouTube runs the platform, by subscribers and likes. And we'll see you guys on the next one.